5 mistakes to avoid if you want him to commit. Hello ladies and welcome to this new video. I know you love him and I know that you really want him to commit to the relationship, but you're scared. You're scared to make one of these mistakes. You're scared to lose him. You're scared to not be good enough. And you know, it's funny because every time I coach you, I understand you better. Meaning that I've coached so many women who told me, Alex, you know, it's funny because it's really rare for me to fall in love. So when I fall in love, I will do some mistakes. I know I should not do them, but I really love this guy. I really want to be with him. I can't control my emotions. And I understand you. It's not easy, but there is always a solution. I just want you to stay away from these 5 mistakes because unfortunately they will destroy my client's life. This will just push your significant other away. This will make him not commit to the relationship, and this will give him so much control. So make sure that you take some notes. Make sure that you hit the like button, and of course, you subscribe to this channel. I want you to join the community. I promise you that I will do more videos and I can be on your side. So, mistake number 1. If you want a man to commit, you need to not talk about your feelings. That is a mistake number 1, and I will explain to you why. When a man meets you and says that he wants to be in a relationship with you, he is most of the time attracted to your image, your charisma, your smile, your beauty, your look, etc. And the moment you will talk about your feelings, it will just make him take you for granted. So at the beginning, he tells himself, I need to fight for her. She's too good for me. And after that, after a moment, when you talk about your feelings, he will tell himself, okay, I won. What's next? And that's when the situation becomes a little bit toxic for you. So remember, you should not talk about your feelings. You should not make him in a position of having control over you. That's, I would say, mistakes number 1. Mistake number 2. You cannot do all the first steps, what I call taking initiatives. And the reason why, it's because of the subconscious mind. If you're the one texting, if you're the one calling, if you're the one asking him out, everyone will tell you, oh my God, you have the right behavior, you're perfect, he's so stupid, he should do more for you. Me as a coach, I will tell you, I'm sorry, but you put him in this position of comfort. I don't have to do anything. She will act for me. And in the subconscious mind, it is so important to let a guy do the first step. So we don't want to play games. We are too old to play games, but we want to let him initiate, because then it means that you're part of his subconscious mind. So his attention towards you will grow. So his commitment will grow instead of shrinking just because you do more than him. So mistake number 2 is to do all the initiatives that are now pushing him away. Mistake number 3. When you have pity for him, what does it mean exactly? Oh, poor little boy, he just got divorced. Oh, his first girlfriend cheated on him. He is now 55 years old. We are not his psychologist. I know this hurts when I'm like, I'm showing you, like I'm kicking you in the butt, but why do you become his psychologist? Why do you have pity for him? Because that's when he will feel that, oh, she's too nice for me. Oh, she's too sweet. So I will take control over her. Instead of telling himself, she deserves more from me, I have to respect her, I have to give her attention, it will just create the opposite. When you have pity for a man, he cannot commit to the relationship. And the reason why it's because he won't feel the challenge. He won't feel that he has to fight for you because you are already giving him all of your attention. And I know it's so bizarre for me to tell you that. Nobody would tell you the same thing, but as a relationship coach on the field. Every single day, I coach women who told me, Alex, I told him my feelings and he started to pull away. Or I take all the initiatives, but he doesn't do anything. Or, I give him attention, I help him during this divorce, and now he's leaving me for someone else. Yes, just because sometimes men could be not rational and they will feel in love when a woman is a challenge. That's how you make him engage and commit. So mistakes number 4, it's when you would find excuses to his toxic behavior. So the guy that is telling you, I call you back and never call back, the man that is telling you, hey, I want to see you this weekend, or not finally, you would cancel last minute. If you continue to find excuses to his toxic behavior, he won't commit. He will only use his bullshit excuses to continue in this relationship where he's in control. And instead of you being in control, you will give him the attention and you won't have anything. So my goal here is to tell you, I don't want that for you. You should not find excuses to his toxic behavior. And the mistakes number 5, if you want a man to commit, you should never fall into the routine. The routine is the number 1 reason why men won't commit. So if you tell me, Alex, I will meet him in his place or he's coming to your place all the time, you are just a sex friend relationship or a beauty call. That's it. That's it. Sorry to tell you it this way, ladies, but what I want you to understand is that what makes a man to commit is feeling new emotions, trying new activities, seeing you outside, organizing some really good dates. If you spend the time and the energy, that's when you know that he's committing to you. He's investing more in the relationship. He's giving you more attention. And when I was telling you the mistake number 4, which is, hey, you should not try to find excuses to his toxic behavior, I wanted to add one little bonus tip. Men, they need boundaries. It's like a child. If you tell your child, hey, do whatever you want, at 4-year-old, they will burn the house. They will burn the house. At 15-year-old, they will do drugs. That's not what you want. You need to tell them, this is good, this is bad. Same thing with men. If you tell him, I believe in you, do what you want, I will always be there. I will always love you no matter what you do. You're telling him, you have the control over me, and he won't commit. He just won't commit. And what I'm telling you right now is not what I want to tell you. I would love to tell you love is beautiful, love is easy. If you love each other, you will commit. But the problem is, for men, we identify love as the excitement and the degree of challenge that you represent. If I have to fight for you, I love you. If I take you for granted, I'm not interested anymore. Not all the men, but if you are on my channel, you're facing one of the guys that is like this. Because he's avoidant, because he's sensational, because he's just different. And if you can just use the normal advice, you won't be there. You won't need me, right? That's why I'm telling you. If you avoid these 5 mistakes, and let me tell you again, talking about your feelings, taking all the initiatives, having pity for him and his past relationship, finding excuses to his toxic behavior, or falling into the routine. If you can avoid this, you will thank me for life because your relationship will be stronger. Now, everything that I'm telling you is not coming from me. It's coming from neuroscience. I have made a very important video on how to use the neuroscience to be happy with a man, to get him, to attract him, to get a healthy relationship, because there is always a response. We can analyze human behavior. There is always a response. I just want you to grab this free video. It's not on my YouTube channel, not on my website. It's in the description box below. Just come and watch it, and you will find a way to be happy with this guy. Now, if you want to go further, of course, you can come to FrenchRelationshipExpert.com, my website. There is tons of articles, and you can book a private coaching. There is Coach Andres with me as well. We are a team. We are just improving every single time to be able to assist you and to show you that you deserve it. So I will see you very soon. Please stay strong, stay positive, and believe in you. You deserve it. I will see you soon. Bye, ladies.